And Ghana police, Ghana police. Under the leadership of Dampare, Ghana police.
Oh.
What I'm talking about.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Greater Accra regional organizer of NDC has hinted, say, he will do everything possible for IGP, Dr. Dampare, to go. Now, for assembly say, and dry yesterday, nationally, there was voting for members of the Council of State. Now, normally, some vote in the Council of State for voting. There be a very, very peaceful. Un timpo say, bibi ikosu. And the kotoaba no ye na weti say oh, mkofobi kotoaba. The person is in a Council of Elders, Council of State members. And that is the end. We move. But this time around, no, for the first time in a very long while, this Council of State election has been marred with incidents, fights here and there, pockets of violence here and there. And especially in Ashanti region, any Greater Accra. Now, back in Ashanti region, yesterday we told you, say, about 86 people are due to vote in the Ashanti region. And those 86 people, no, when they were sorting out the ballot papers after the vote, no, one candidate I from MPP side, no, now I counting it could do by 47. And I'm could do by 47 now. NDC for agents are now more dynamo, no. And I'm on team. They were shouting. Now, was in the midst of the shout, no, Enna, supporters, bontino, and I'm also Johnny na, break it through barriers, and now, causes cateo. And they couldn't count the ballot to the end. They could not. But the general consensus, ni say, and as I say, it exists, no, anybody who gets more than half has won the election. And for someone to get 47 and counting, 47 times 2 is 88. So already that man from the MPP side is a winner. Now, Greater Accra region, at the coalition center, at the regional coordinating center, there was chaos. And this chaos, it was led by NDC regional executives. Now, after the entire brouhaha and the chaos and everything, and I have NDC regional organizer of Greater Accra, ecosystem say, and I say, now mo ebanosena adia peaceful procedure, no. You people went to cause curtain and say, now you namunim say. Are there no police for na say o maintaining order? Eti ade na mu jai police for na mu ye o mujuma. Greater Accra NDC organizer Kachre was so bold to say Ghana say no police service ni ho. Na on mu NDC phone, they do not trust the police to do anything in this country.
NDC Crojin, Asunjebo.
Police. You are not a police officer.
Ghana police for no more Jumano. Oh,
I don't know.
Oh, my God. And the Ghana police, under the leadership of Dampare, Ghana police.
Oh,
what I'm talking about.
Oh, no,
the police service themselves know that the police with integrity, that's not what they are having. The most porous police administration ever in the history of Ghana is under Dampare. You people don't want to tell the truth. I won't leave any political organization in the hands of this police service under Dampare. I won't do it.
And that is why you You went there yourself because of lack of faith in the Ghana Police Service.
Lack of faith and integrity in the Ghana Police Service. Until it is restored, the police service has lost their dignity to the public. I'm telling you.
And how do you reckon it will be restored?
Restored by removing all the POMAP members who are currently at post. They must all get out of the office. New people with integrity must be installed.
No, but how do you
tell the president to do?
No, but how do you remove POMAP members? No? How is that going to happen? How do you do it?
Police Management Board.
Yes, I know.
The men and women in uniform are not happy with the kind of police service they joined. And that must be told and told clearly.
Okay, I'll come back.
Sir, all the members of the Police Management Board, POMAB, no, from the IGP to the last person, no, they must all be sacked. That is what he keeps telling John Dramani Mahama on daily basis. Say, police falling now from Dampare to the list or whoever is on POMAB, no, the people must go. And until John Mahama, His Excellency, sacks IGP Dampare, dissolves POMAB, no, or more NDC for no, they will never trust the police service. Ghana for Asemaba. Asem ke siepaba. This is the reason. These are the things we were trying to prevent. That is why we told you, say, don't go and vote for a group of people who do not believe in democracy. Because the downfall of this nation will begin the very day we entrust this nation again into the hands of the NDC. Yeah, catch them. We told you. Did we not? We told you. But Ghanaians failed to listen. Ghanaians failed to listen. Now you see where we are landing ourselves. You see the kind of trouble we have landed ourselves in. These people think that they have to take the law into their own hands. They have to do things their own way. That they are in charge of themselves. A whole organizer of a political party is doing everything possible to see the back of the IGP. And we are even told, allegedly, say, even the director of operations at the presidency, Kofi Boakye, is also doing everything possible for the IGP to be sacked. Why are they doing everything possible for the IGP to be sacked? It's because they believe, say, people they are tilted towards the ideologies of the NDC. And they are the people they want sensitive appointment in the police service given to. They want an IGP that will be pro-NDC. They want POMAB members that will be pro-NDC. Se mwan kai Akufo-Addo asra be kai na su. You remember when there was a leak tape about the whole police state? You saw how police officers who were pro-MPP were angry that Akufo-Addo did not appoint them. Akufo-Addo, everything he did, he placed Ghana first. Akufo-Addo could have gone ahead and said, me ko ye appointment for IGP, me ko appoint to be our pro-MPP. But Akufo-Addo knew, say, that won't be the best thing for our democracy. They don't believe in the structures of the state. To end these people, they must do away with the judiciary. They must do away with the police service. Because they have their own people, they want to populate the police service. They want to populate the judiciary with. And you think you will ever get law and order in this nation when NDC is in power? No way. They are going to change this nation into a jungle. That is what they are up doing. And it serves us right. It serves all of us right because we saw the signs and we ignored. We saw the signs. We told Ghanaians. Ghanaians refused to take our word. Here we are today. Here we are. You see how bold they are? You see how bold they are? They are able to stand before police officers, insult them, display utter arrogance towards them. They are able to exhibit guns and all, and they take the law into their own hands. This has been a political rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.